Okay, so I bought a stunt clutch cable puller. It's supposed to make it easier to pull the clutch in if you got stiff springs and aftermarket clutch. I bought a 400EX and it's got a pretty tough pull on it. I think somebody put some aftermarket parts in it before I got it. I've oiled everything I can oil. The cable moves completely smooth, so I'm trying a different route. And my next step, I'm going to be getting a 2-finger pull clutch lever. That way, you know, wheelies and stuff, you know, fun stuff. And this is where it goes. It goes in between here and here. I'll open it up and I'll show you exactly what goes on the inside of it. Okay, this right here is the way it works and the way it looks on the inside. This cable here pulls from the top, and this one pulls about a 1/2 inch lower. It's supposed to give you 20 to 30% less pull, like I guess you say pound per pull, so it'd be easier to pull. You've got different adjustments down here. I'm gonna have to play with the adjustments and find out which one pulls my foot far enough to engage and disengage it properly, and which one makes it smoother. It seems like it's easier. I just hope it pulls it far enough. We'll find out. I have to tune it while I'm not riding it. It's a pretty good setup here. It's a cheap alternative to other clutch setup, but it made it a whole lot easier to pull for riding all day long.